Hello guys, welcome to this video. So my aim of showing this video was to show you guys how you can design this popular brand MTN. So I have to import the image into this workspace, then use a color picker to select the exact color from the MTN brand. So once I was done selecting it, I deleted the whole image, and I have to delete the image and start from afresh. Right, so if there is any image you're looking for a particular color and you want to get that exact color, all you need to do is to import the image into your workspace, then use a color picker like I showed you in the previous video. Use a color picker to select the color you want to do. So that is exactly what I did here. Then next, I now came to element and search for oval shape. Right, I searched for oval shape. I selected one of it from frame because I really want something of this nature. Actually, I selected this one from frame, then resized it. I make sure that I resized it and make sure that whenever you are doing your alignment, making any design, that is properly aligned, right? All right, so make sure that is very well aligned. That is what I did here. I make sure it's aligned, then I added a color to it. This is not the exact color though, but I didn't show you guys how I was able to get the real color, but that is it by the way. Next, I added a text to it, right, which is the MTN text. You can just take a look at it and see how I was able to achieve this. It's very easy. You can do it. So here is the place where I now have to change the color. But I trust you guys. I know you've learned a lot now. You know how to change color. So by the time I share this on the group, I'm sure that you can now replicate it. Then import the image into your workspace and do the same thing, right? Import this image by the time I share it on the group. Import it into your workspace. Then use a color picker to get this exact oval shape color, right? So that is what I did now. So after writing my MTN, I just have to write M and T. Then I now did other letters, which is T. So just keep watching to the end and see how we're able to achieve that. It's very easy. So yes, there I now went ahead to select a font. I was looking for a font that would give me the exact feel that I need, right? But I ended up with I guess that is a Canva Sans, right? So I ended up with, I still like it because Canva Sans is actually a nice font that gives you, depending on what you're designing anyway, it actually gives you a cool feeling while you're designing your thing. So I selected it. Then next, I use my nudge to make sure that it is very, very well aligned, right? Like you can see now that it's very well aligned. Then I came back to element and search for a small rectangular shape, right? And I got something like this. I have to now resize it very, very well, like make it very tiny. Then once you resize it, you use that a rotating button to rotate it, then bring it towards this location. Once you're done doing that, you go back to nudge and make sure that it's very, very well aligned. Like the alignment is very cool. Once you're done that, next we'll now go to position. Yes, go to okay, exactly. For us to select is how to go to layers. So select layers, then so you can be able to get the exact element. You know, it was behind the text, right? So for us to bring it above, go to layers, don't pick it, then go to position and bring it forward. That is what we did here. Then secondly, we are going to duplicate this rectangular shape that we've added. We added a different color to it first, and now we'll duplicate it. Like we'll copy out the second, make a second copy of it and change the color to this oval shape we have here. That is what we did. And you can see here that in as much as we are doing our design, we are still making sure that our alignment is in order. It's very important. Instead of having some kind of alignment that you just all over the place. Just make sure that is very well aligned, right? So on the next video as well, I'm going to show you guys how you can, like, what to do to actually make sure that your design are aligned, especially not all design, but most design needs to be very well aligned depending on what you're designing, because I wanted to say, yes, there are times that you want to design some things will be by the left, by the right, or look as if it's cut half, right? No, depending on what your design is. But if you're designing something that deserves to be at the center, let it be at the center. Unless the design requires something that have to be by the side. All right, but I'm going to show you guys a video. The next video I'll share with you guys how you can actually add a margin to your design to get the exact points that you need. Like if you look very closely on this design, I have a margin attached to it, right? I have a margin attached to it that gives me the clue to know if it is very well aligned. So I will show you guys how you did it. So you can see how awesome our MTN logo has come out. You can see that it's looking good already. It already take a lot of shape. So this is it, guys, and I want you all to